Good afternoon, everyone. Take a look at our power grid today. It's a marvel of engineering, but the way we monitor its most critical roles, the EHV substations, is often stuck in the past. We rely on systems that are reactive, siloed, and often tells us about a problem only after it has happened. This leads to costly downtime, dangerous failures, and inefficient operations. We believe there's a better way. We'd like to introduce Aura, an intelligent digital twin for EHV substations. Aura isn't just another 3D model. It's a living, breathing, and learning virtual replica of the entire substation. It breaks down the data silos by integrating real-time information from every possible source, from SCADA, IoT sensors, even maintenance logs, into one unified command center. The real innovation here is our shift from reactive to proactive. Instead of waiting for an alarm, Aura uses physics-informed AI to predict potential failures weeks in advance. And we take this a step further with an augmented reality app for field crews, overlaying critical data and repair guides directly onto the physical equipment. We're not just building a dashboard, we're building a system of foresight. So how do we plan to build Aura? Our technical approach is based on a modern, robust and scalable architecture. We've selected a stack of proven industry standard technologies. For real-time data, we'll use Apache Kafka to handle the massive streams. Data will be stored in timescale DB, which is purpose-built for this kind of time series information. Our predictive models will be developed in Python using frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. The backend will be powered by a high-performance fast API, and the visualization we'll use 3.js to create a stunning, interactive 3D experience that works in any web browser. No special software is needed. The entire process is a seamless flow. Data is ingested, processed, and stored. Our AI engine then analyzes the data to generate predictive insights. These insights are served via an API to the front end, where the operator sees a real-time intelligent view of their substation. It's a complete end-to-end solution designed for reliability and scale. Now, a great idea is only as good as its execution. Let's talk about feasibility. Technically, this project is highly feasible. The tools we are using are mature and our team has the skills to integrate them effectively. But we are also realists and we've anticipated the potential challenges. We know that real world data can be messy. That's why we're building a robust data cleaning pipeline right from the start. We know that building a perfect AI model takes time. That's why for this hackathon we are focusing on a minimal viable product or MVP. Our MVP will focus on the single most critical asset in a substation, the power transformer. We will demonstrate a fully functional digital twin of one transformer capable of predicting one major fault type, like overheating. This focused approach allows us to mitigate risk, avoid scope creep, and deliver a polished, impactful prototype that proves our core concept is viable and ready to scale. So what is the real world impact of Aura? It's about transforming the very nature of grid management. For the people on ground, the operators and maintenance crews, Aura provides foresight and confidence. It empowers them to move from being firefighters to proactive planners. The benefits are substantial and multifaceted. Economically, we're talking about a significant reduction in maintenance costs, extending the life of a multi-million-dollar assets and preventing outages that can cost the economy millions. Environmentally, a more efficient grid means less energy waste and a lower carbon footprint. Proactive monitoring can also prevent environmental hazards like oil leaks. And most importantly, from a social and safety perspective, Aura contributes to a more reliable grid that powers our hospitals and emergency services. And it creates a safer working environment for the people who keep our lights on. Our vision for Aura is ambitious, but it's grounded in solid academic research and inspired by the work of industry leaders in this space. But rather than just tell you, Let me show you the transformation we are proposing. On the left, you see the before. This represents the current reality in many control rooms. It's cluttered, chaotic, and reactive. Operators are sifting through disconnected data, trying to make sense of alarms after the fact. On the right, you see after. This is the future with Aura. It's clean, intuitive, and predictive. An operator is empowered with a single holistic view. They can see not just what's happening now, but what's going to happen. They are in complete control, preventing failures before they even occur. This is the journey from reactive chaos to predictive control. This is the future of our energy grid. Thank you. We are Team Prakriti X and we're ready to build Aura. We'll be happy to answer any questions.